Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into all things YouTube and help you maximize your online presence. Today, we are going to talk about a topic that can truly transform your YouTube journey: how to master the algorithm and optimize your YouTube channel for search. So, grab a pen and paper, because we are going to share some valuable insights that will help you get discovered by your target audience. Before we dive in, let's understand what the algorithm is. The YouTube algorithm is a complex mathematical formula that determines which videos get recommended to users based on their search queries, engagement, and interests. It's like a giant filter that sorts through the endless sea of YouTube content to find the most relevant and engaging videos for each user. The first step in mastering the algorithm is to do thorough keyword research. Keywords are the words or phrases that users type into the search bar when they are looking for content. By finding the right keywords, you can understand what your audience wants and create content that aligns with their interests. Tools like Google Trends and YouTube's own search suggestions are great places to start your keyword research. Next, it's important to optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags. These are the key elements that the algorithm considers when ranking your videos in search results. Make sure to include your target keywords in a natural and compelling way. But remember, it's not just about stuffing your titles and descriptions with keywords. You also want to create catchy, click-worthy titles that will grab your audience's attention. Now, let's move on to the most important aspect of optimizing your YouTube channel: content quality. The algorithm not only looks at keywords and metadata but also takes into account the engagement metrics of your videos. This means that you need to create high-quality content that engages and captivates your viewers. Start by hooking your audience right from the beginning. The first few seconds of your video are crucial in capturing your viewers' attention, so make sure to create an engaging introduction that clearly communicates what the video is about. Another aspect to consider is video length. The algorithm tends to favor longer videos, so aim for a duration of at least 10 minutes. However, keep in mind that quality should always take precedence over quantity. It's better to have a shorter video filled with valuable content that keeps your audience engaged than a longer video that feels dragged out. In terms of actual content creation, make sure to provide value to your audience. Whether it's sharing knowledge, providing entertainment, or solving a problem, always ask yourself what your viewers will gain from watching your video. The more valuable and unique your content is, the more likely it is to stand out in search results. Now let's talk about engagement. Likes, comments, and shares are all indicators of audience engagement, and the algorithm takes them into account when ranking your videos. Encourage your viewers to engage with your content by asking questions, inviting them to leave comments, and creating a sense of community. Responding to comments and fostering dialogue will not only boost engagement but also build a loyal audience. Another crucial aspect of optimizing your YouTube channel is mastering your thumbnails and video descriptions. Thumbnails are the first impression viewers have of your video, so make them eye-catching, professional, and representative of your content. Use high-resolution images and bold, legible fonts, accompanied by vibrant colors that grab attention. In terms of video descriptions, don't neglect them. They provide an opportunity to include additional keywords, links, and relevant information about your video. Make sure to write detailed, accurate, and concise descriptions that entice viewers to click and watch your content. Collaborations are another powerful strategy to optimize your YouTube channel for search. Partnering with other creators in your niche not only allows you to tap into their existing audience but also signals to the algorithm that your content is relevant and valuable. Reach out to other creators, propose collaborations, and create content together that benefits both your channels. Lastly, don't forget to analyze your YouTube analytics. This powerful tool provides insights into your audience demographics, watch time, and viewers' behavior. By understanding your audience better, you can tailor your content to meet their needs and preferences, ultimately boosting your search rankings. In conclusion, optimizing your YouTube channel for search comes down to mastering the algorithm and creating valuable, engaging content for your audience. By doing thorough keyword research, optimizing your titles and descriptions, and focusing on content quality and engagement, you can take your YouTube journey to the next level. So, Go ahead and apply these strategies, stand out from the crowd, and get discovered by your target audience.